Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to edit WhatsApp messages. Let's get into the video. So let's say you send a message to someone and you actually want to edit it, like you want to send something else. So you simply need to click on the message, after which you are going to see what edit. So you can simply say good morning and how are you doing today. So after that you simply click on what done. So guys, that is actually the way you edit send message on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.